If you want to set up screen lock on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna proceed to security and privacy, which is available over here if you scroll down a little bit. After that we should be able to find the device unlock option, so you should be able to go over here, and then we have the screen lock option. We're gonna tap over here. We have 3 standard password types, so you can choose one of them in order to set the password. In my case, I'm just gonna choose a pattern. We're gonna draw the pattern over here. And in your case, you want to enter your password, and you want to do this twice. So you enter the password for the first time, go next, and enter the password again. And then you can confirm. Then we have the lock screen notification setting. So you can decide if you want to show all notifications, if you want to show notifications behind the content, or if you don't want to show notifications at all on the lock screen. And tap on Done. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.